today's tutorial, I'll show you how to export MOGRT files from After Effects, and I actually didn't know how to do this myself, but apparently you just go to the window menu, and then you want to look for the option called Essential Graphics, click on that, and then once this panel opens up, give your template a name. It can be the name of the effect you have in your composition. Choose the composition that contains the effect you want to export. Basically the animation that you want to export as a motion graphics template. For me it's comp 1, and then click on Export Motion Graphics Template. It's gonna ask you to save your current project. If you haven't done that already, click on Save, and now choose a destination where you want the template to be exported to in your computer. I'm actually building a cute little template store so you guys can download all of my presets and effects and so on. Be on the lookout for that. You can also add some keywords. This can simply be the name of your template file so people who import your template can find it easily in the search box. I think that's what this option does. I'm not sure, but yeah. Click OK. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.